Hello dear, how are you? You will say, sir, not fine. Now, because we have exam after 2 days. Okay? Dear friend, before exam, I would like to suggest you regarding few points. Okay? Definitely it is not time for discussion or long discussion. Just I want to tell you few things regarding your examination, like which type of things we have to follow, especially in that particular 3 hours. My dear friend, everyone knows it. Without concentration, we can't even do very small work. Okay, so how we can write our GATE exam without concentration? So the first main and most important parameter is nothing but just try to achieve your full concentration in the examination period. Read the question carefully. Okay, each and every information, whatever is provided by the professor, okay, especially whenever a question will have maybe more than 5 or 6 numerical values, see just properly whether all values are given in kilo, milli or micro, whatever. Okay, see, let us assume, I want to take one Wheatstone bridge example. Let us assume here 3 resistance values are 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm something, and another resistance value is 10 kilo ohm, roughly, just for example I'm taking. Okay, I'm saying. So in that case, try to understand the thing whenever we are selecting the information from the question. Okay, we have to think 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 10 ohm, whatever. But now the last value is 10 kilo ohm. So focus on that. Okay, in a hurry, don't take all our 10, 10 or 20 ohm something. Okay, such type of silly mistake every year more than 10% students are doing. Okay, just to taking information from the question. And due to all those reasons, we may lose our 6-7 marks. My dear friend, don't do such type of mistakes. Okay, now you can promise me, sir, definitely we will not do such type of problem, such type of mistakes. We will read problem carefully. We will take exact data, whatever provided by the professor. Okay, sometimes what will happen? In general, we are familiar with 230 volts, 50 hertz Indian standard supply. But in examination, let us assume they are providing 60 hertz. But due to less concentration level, okay, due to under pressure, we can say, we forget, okay, that was one given 60 hertz, but due to just less concentration, we are writing, after some time we are writing 50 hertz. Okay, and due to all those reasons, you may lose your 1 or 2 marks. Okay, such type of problems we are not supposed to do. And next thing, my dear friend, we are engineer. Okay, we have spent a lot of time really to achieve this on level degree. Okay, dear friend, almost 7 to 8 years we have spent to achieve this degree. Then how we can say we are not capable to crack our exam? Obviously not. My dear friend, we have sufficient knowledge of English, aptitude and our some core subjects. And with the help of all those things, at least we can score more than 50, 60 or 70 marks. But really, it is not easy without full concentration and without maintain our energy level. Okay. So sometimes what will happen? Sometimes, okay, a few students are saying, sir, at starting I was not capable to handle starting 4 examples or 5 examples. Then I have lost my full concentration. Don't do. It will happen, yaar. It will happen. We are human being. Okay, let us assume that 3 to 4 examples we are not capable to handle in the beginning of our exam. Then definitely we will lose our concentration, our energy level. No. You are not, or we are not supposed to do this. Just read another or upcoming example. Definitely one example will come and that example will be very easy for us. And whenever we will handle that example, automatically our mind, IQ level, concentration level will shift in other direction. And after maintaining this criteria, high amount of energy, full concentration, just read again previous problem. I assure you, definitely, you will handle more than 60-70% problems from the previous section also. Okay, it is just a game of our mind presence. Just game of mind presence. Okay, we know it. Okay, see, in BTech, in BTech, just remember your third year, or try to remember your third year and final year examples. Sometimes what will happen in the semester exam, we don't know anything about the example, but we write almost 3-4 pages. Same thing we have to do here. Okay, obviously at this moment we require exact thing, but at least we can think over the example, na? Okay, that information is given, then by which formula we can identify? Okay, if this information is given and that person is asking this one, okay, for this we require those parameters, for those we require again something, relate and identify the equations or formula, whatever we require. Okay, by this approach, my dear friend, we can handle such type of examples in which we are not too much familiar. Okay, so at the end, just I want to suggest you, please don't lose your concentration, don't lose your energy level, don't go into examination center with under pressure, overconfidence. All things will never allow with you whenever you are entering in the classroom. And for that 3 hours, you will be the master for yourself. Okay, so wherever you are doing mistakes, you have to rectify or identify, and how you can compensate all those errors. You have to design your own controllers. So just to provide feedback by yourself and identify the amount of error, again feedback until or unless you are not receiving correct answer. Okay, that will be your first job and last job for that particular 3 hours. Hopefully you are getting my point, whatever I want to suggest to you. Okay, so we will meet after your exam again. Meanwhile, my dear friend, if you have any query, any doubt related to your subject, ask to your faculty members. Okay, for example, you have some doubts in power electronics or electrical machine or power system or analog digital. Okay, anywhere, just ask to those related faculty. Just send your doubt on the Telegram channel. Okay, still we have 2 days, but sometimes, you know, in last 2 days we can also improve maybe 4 marks or 5 marks or maybe more than this. Okay, so please don't waste your time. Okay, somebody will say, okay, sleep properly, okay, take rest. Okay, definitely those persons are also correct, but if you have some time, then in spite of wasting the time, you can read your formulas, your theory, you can think over some good quality of problems. Not too much. Hardly in last 2 days you can spend not more than 5 to 6 hours on your study. In rest time, you have to watch movies, you have to listen song, whatever you. But please don't talk to your, okay, otherwise maybe due to some arguments your mood can change. Okay, so I think you should be stay with your mind only. Okay, with full concentration, try to like achieve, okay, energy level. Okay, or try to improve your energy level or concentration level. Okay, if you want, you can do meditation around 30-15 minutes, whatever you like. It's up to you. Okay, so best wishes from my side and from the GATE Academy side. Okay, everyone, this is the last point, but really very, very important, my dear friend. Everyone, my dear friend, you have lot of capabilities. Okay, just try to identify yourself. Okay, and if you are doing the same, I assure you that you will score more than your expectation. Okay, really to score 70 marks or 60 marks or 80 marks, really not tough job, my dear friend. Just trust on yourself. Okay, you are capable, you can score. Okay, that type of theme you have to follow in last 2 days and especially in those 3 hours. Okay, thank you boss. We will meet on 7th Feb in evening. Thank you.